Okay, how about getting paid to put solar panels on your home? One Arizona company is doing this, but all new for you this morning, Joe lets you know what you're really signing up for.
Frank in Chino Valley wrote me saying he received an offer from the APS Solar Communities Program and needs to know if it's a fair offer or am I being taken advantage of? He asks, should I go ahead with this? Well, Frank, that depends on what you call fair. APS says the program gives limited income customers access to rooftop solar installed at no cost. You'll get $30 off your monthly bill, but you don't own the panels or the power they produce. Frank, basically you're being offered $30 a month to house APS solar panels on your roof. Here's some of what you're agreeing to. Not to install any other solar equipment without APS consent. Unrestricted access to your roof for maintenance and repairs, house the panels for 20 years, or a 90-day written notice if you or APS decide to have them removed before the 20-year mark. A spokesperson says 1,166 residential customers have signed up already. Of those, 361 are installed since 2018. So is it fair? Well, you're going to have to run the numbers and decide for yourself.